Recipes from Italian tradition are usually simple and also very affordable. In Italy, we cook with ingredients that are easy to find and humble. And today, we'll make it in one pot too. The best recipes don't come from restaurants, but from real life. And this is what an Italian family will cook for you. It is delicious and costs only €2 to feed a family. In Italy, we finish working quite late and we have dinner afterwards, so about 9-10 at night p.m. So this is perfect if you need something quick. So start with olive oil in a pan and add the onions. If you want, you can add a splash of water and cook them until they become soft. Now we need peas. You can use the fresh ones, I'm gonna use the frozen ones. We're gonna add it to the pan and we're gonna cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step is totally optional, but I want to make the pasta extra creamy, so I'm gonna blend part of the peas. You can do it too, or you can also ignore this step. Now we're gonna add the pasta. I'm gonna choose maccheroni. I think they work great for this recipe because they have this tiny hole and the peas can hide themselves inside. This is a classic Italian recipe, but we're gonna give it my twist to make it extra delicious, you will see. Now we just have to cook the pasta, so we're gonna add the vegetable broth and we're gonna cook them, and we're gonna cook the macaroni with the lid on. Taste if it's ready. It's perfect. And now to add extra creaminess, we're gonna add plant-based yogurt, but without sugar, and nutritional yeast, a lot. You see, it's super easy and simple. And also incredible and delicious, seriously. Simple stuff are the best. Well, thanks everybody for sharing your time with me today, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.